If you're a real estate investor looking for a free alternative to your accounting needs, or if you just want to eliminate subscription fees associated with other accounting software, free accounting software such as Gnucash could be just the solution you're looking for. In this overview, we will assess Gnucash's suitability as a financial accounting solution for a property investment business. We will explore its features to determine how they can specifically align with your financial accounting needs. Gnucash doesn't have any built-in property investment or rental property management specific features, but with the right setup, you can accurately track single or multi-property investments and rental property income and generate extraordinary reports which can be useful for calculating taxes and assessing financial performance. The first thing you will need is a structured chart of accounts specifically designed to track your real estate property investments and rental property income to maximize your standard accounting reports you will generate. By utilizing separate sub-accounts for tracking your transactions and listing them in the appropriate categories for each property, property 1, property 2, property 3, and so forth, you can set up as many properties as you need using this format. You would actually replace property 1, property 2, and so forth with the actual addresses of the property. It allows you to generate reports on any level. You can generate reports that are property specific, which will give you detailed insights into the revenue, expenses, assets, and liabilities for each individual property you have listed in your chart of accounts. For example, the income statement summarizes all your income and expenses. At a glance, I can see the total amount of revenue collected per property on the rental income properties. Below, I can see which properties had expenses. In this example, the property at 1123 Broad Street had a depreciation deduction and property operating expenses. Next, we have the balance sheet. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity. Looking at the balance sheet, I can see what the properties are worth. And if I scroll down, I can see the individual property mortgage balance per property as well as any temporary tenant security deposits collected per property. The Gnucash transaction reports are ideal. They can give you more precise detail because you can filter transaction data to include only financial data associated with a specific property. For example, here's a report I generated for a property that's located at 546 Pembroke Road. This report tells me the purchase cost basis, the rental income collected on this specific property, and the mortgage amount owed on this particular property. Now, this is a very simple report on a specific property. You can easily generate more robust reports. For example, here I have a detailed transaction report on another property listed at 1123 Broad Street. I've included all the associated income and expense transactions that will be useful in completing a tax return on this specific property. With the right setup and utilizing Gnucash's simple and split transactions, you can successfully track your investment property and rental income in Gnucash. And if you need a more advanced system that includes accounts payable, accounts receivables, that's possible too. I hope you found this overview useful in deciding whether Gnucash is suitable for your small business accounting needs. Please subscribe, give a like if you found it useful, and check in the description for upcoming tutorials.